is News 2.
Thank you so much for joining us on this Saturday morning, May 14th. I see we all made it through Friday the 13th okay. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in the Weather Center now with a look at your Saturday forecast. Eric.
Good morning. An absolutely beautiful start today. Temperatures already in the 60s. First time I think I've been to work where I didn't have to wear a jacket when I went outside. So this is the first time I walked outside in just my shirt. So
feels nice.
Yes, and partly cloudy skies turning into some thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon. The possibility of that. Let's take a look outside at Cooperstown camera. An absolutely gorgeous day right now in the morning hours. Laverick York Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, a lot of moisture looking to dry up. However, it's still going to be a very humid day today. Let's look at our satellite, some clouds across the region. Temperatures already in the 70s right now. Humidity is still pretty high up there, looking at 73% humidity right now. Right now it's 71 degrees, 67 down at Binghamton, mostly 60s and 70s across New York right now. Beautiful start to today. Few pop-up showers and rumbles of thunder this evening, keeping an eye on the severe weather possibility later on today. Expecting some much more heavier rain later on tonight, but our today forecast, 70s rising to the 80s today, and your full Storm Tracker 2 forecast coming up. Back over to you.
Thank you so much, Eric. The deadline to apply for the floodplain buyout program in Whitestown is Monday. The town supervisor says residents applying to the Natural Resources Conservation Service floodplain buyout program need to respond to the letter of intent by May 16th, which is Monday. Buyout program is a chance for people who have seen repetitive flood loss to find a way out. The assistance would help those residents in relocating. The program is part of the Greater Sequoia Creek Channel and Floodplain Restoration Program. More information can be found by emailing Town Supervisor Sean Coletta at supervisor@whitestown.net. Taking a look at headlines.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. An absolutely beautiful start to today. Temperatures already in the 60s and 70s in some areas, rising into the 80s as we head into the afternoon. Let's take a look over the Mohawk Valley, specifically right over Utica and a Cavey Tower camera. Absolutely gorgeous across the Mohawk Valley right now. You can see just the green all over the trees. Spring has arrived in our areas. We'll take a look across the state on the New York State Mesonet. Blue skies across the board. Seeing clouds slowly increase throughout this afternoon, heading to this evening, as we expect the possibility of a few pop-up thunderstorms or storms later on in the afternoon as well. Laverick York Battery, Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Things are looking just a little bit moist right now. It's a high humidity, especially in most areas. It will start slowly drop throughout the afternoon as temperatures continue to rise. However, it will remain still humid across the areas. Take a look at the bigger picture right now. We have a very weak low pressure system out to the south that is over in North Carolina. And this system right here is one's going to be affecting us as we head throughout the afternoon. You can see right here it's moving up, and you can see the possibility of some pop-up showers already happening right over in Pennsylvania right now. As we head throughout the next couple of days, the dry and sunny weather looks to end as we head into later on this evening. Skycast temperatures already in the 80s by the afternoon. 1 o'clock looks to be mostly clear. However, heading into the afternoon, we're seeing some pop-up showers bring some rain into the area heading into the evening hours. Specifically in the southern valleys, it will rise up into the Mohawk Valley and North Country heading into around 7 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures in the 70s will quickly fall into the 60s as we head into the morning hours. Then the heavier rainfall arrives in the middle of the morning heading into Sunday morning as well. Temperatures still in the 60s, mostly cloudy with rain continuing until the morning hours around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning as well. This is when we see a higher chance of severe weather heading into Sunday afternoon. So we have an instability. We'll look at the instability in just a second. But overall, scattered rain showers, possibility of some pop-up thunderstorms as we head into Sunday afternoon. And our severe weather skycast, this is probably the most severe weather possibility we've seen in a while. Today is looking like a very unstable atmosphere. However, the front is very weak. The possibility of any sort of severe weather happening is very low heading into today. Tomorrow, a little bit higher of a chance. We're seeing some more unstable atmosphere, the weather coming in from the west. We're looking like, once again, it's going to be just a little bit of rain with the possibility of some pop-up thunderstorms. The strongest possibility is heading into Monday afternoon. See some unstable atmosphere and a very strong low pressure system bringing a cold front over our area. This is going to see the possibility of some severe weather as we head into Monday afternoon. And if you're looking to mow the lawn, Clinton and Tractor Mowcast, early today is going to be the best possibility if you want to get your lawn cut as we head into Sunday and Monday. The clear weather looks to end as we head into early on next week, so you might want to get the mowing done early. Today, a nice start, rain later on this evening, a high of 82. Tonight, scattered showers possible, thunderstorms possible, temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. And tonight, a low of 63. It will be mild and some rain heading into tomorrow with a high of 78. And rainy with a higher chance for some snow shower or some rain showers. Temperatures falling into the 60s and 50s by Tuesday and Wednesday, rising into the 70s and 80s as we head into Thursday and Friday. And our trivia question this is the one before this, so I'll give you a quick tease of this one. How many tornadoes usually occur in May around the U.S.? Here's a...
Do we have extra time to think about this one?
Oh, yes, you have extra time.
Answer right now. Okay. You don't want my answer right now. You want my answer to the burger question, don't you?
Well, actually, let's do this one right now because then I can load the other one next, so...
Okay, fine. We get extra time for the burgers then.
Yes.
Let's say 250.
250, you're close by 30, it's 280, and actually May is the most active month for tornadoes in the United States. So
Who knew?
Yeah, it's tornado season right now.
I had no idea. Thank you so much, Eric, for that one. All right, so you know what other season it is for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. I'm going to get you right over to the Weather Center because it's gorgeous out now. So if you want to get outside and enjoy the day, you want to do it early rather than later, right, Eric?
Yes, that's right. The possibility of some scattered rain showers, thunderstorms will be happening later on this evening, but this morning and early afternoons are looking clear and gorgeous. Temperatures in the 80s. Awesome day today. Start out later, look at what to expect for a lunar eclipse heading into tonight. It begins around, or heading into tomorrow night, I should say. Begins around 10:28, ends around 1 in the or almost 2 in the morning. And only red light will remain on the lunar eclipse. And some good news, possibly. We're seeing things trending towards a break in the clouds heading into midnight, especially if you're headed in the western part of our area. Taking a look at our skycast around 10 p.m. We're seeing clouds clear out, maybe the possibility of a last-minute shower, but looking ahead towards 11 o'clock and midnight, we're seeing skies clear, especially out in Oneida and Utica. If you're out in your Oneonta, Cooperstown, things still look just a little bit cloudy as well. But heading around 1 a.m., it's looking like the possibility that we might be able to see the lunar eclipse heading into Sunday night. Right now, it's already 71 degrees, and today it's going to rise in the 80s with some rain possible late. Your full forecast coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric. The national average for regular...
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. An absolutely gorgeous start to this morning. Temperatures already in the 60s, 70s, and we're rising into the 80s as we head into the afternoon. Let's take a look at our Mirabito camera overlooking Hartwick College. Seeing a lot more green in the trees right now as we take a look at our allergy report so far. Seeing a little bit of a relief heading into Sunday, a medium risk, but still it's going to remain very high for allergies, especially for the next couple of days. The culprits now including oak, support of ash, birch, and oak for our culprits for today. Lavaca, York for battery, Storm Picker 2, Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region right now. A little bit moisture in the atmosphere right now. Scourge temperatures, however, 61 degrees in Colebrook, 68 in New Hartford. It's 57 earlier on this morning in Westdale. Already 70 degrees down in Mohawk and across southern valleys. Seeing temperatures in Hartwick of 68 and 65 over in Edmiston. The bigger picture, it's not really a very strong system. It's down around North Carolina. This is going to be affecting our weather for today. It's basically a long stretch of low pressure. It's going to be causing some pockets of rain showers across some areas today and brief rumbles of thunder, especially with the unstable atmosphere in our area heading into later on this evening. So you can already see it forming in Pennsylvania as it moves further north. We'll expect it later on this evening. So starting out this morning, temperatures rising to 70s and 80s by the afternoon. Clear skies. Probably the best time this weekend if you want to get yard work done, mow the lawn or whatever, is to get it done this morning because the possibility of rain and severe weather is going to gradually increase as we head throughout Sunday and Monday, at least for the next 3 days. As you can see, by 5 p.m., we're seeing some pockets of some rain showers. It has the possibility of developing into some thunderstorms, not looking to be very severe as the front is very weak, looking at temperatures in the 70s heading into tonight. Early tomorrow morning, we're seeing some widespread rainfall, the heaviest rainfall happening in the early morning hours and then lasting into the morning as well, around 9 a.m. heading into Sunday. Mostly cloudy skies, and then we're seeing some severe weather possibility heading into Sunday afternoon with a cold front moving through the area, the brief rain showers heading into Sunday night. Once again, we're looking at some clear skies possible heading into Sunday night for the viewing of the lunar eclipse. Keep you posted, especially coming into tonight and tomorrow on any updated information. But the heaviest severe weather possibility we have is heading into Monday afternoon. This is where we have a slight risk of severe weather possibility. Some thunderstorms moving throughout the area as a stronger low pressure system and a stronger cold front move through the area as temperatures fall into the 50s after. Today, a high of 82. It's a nice start, but rain will start return later on this evening. The possibility of thunderstorms are possible. Tonight, it will be raining with a low of 63. Mild temperatures, a high of 78 tomorrow, and a higher chance for thunderstorms as we head throughout the afternoon. Our 7-day forecast, a stormy next couple of days. Monday, the strongest possibility of storms. We head into Tuesday, some brief showers. Temperatures cooling on Tuesday and Wednesday to 50s and 60s and warm as conditions clear heading into Thursday and Friday. And our weekend trivia question, what percent of Americans prefer a well-done burger? What is your guess?
Probably B, 29%.
29% is 36%. Now I was surprised too. So 29% is medium, 19% medium rare, and 4% on the screen as well is for rare burgers. And personally, for me, I prefer a medium well burger to a medium burger. So
I think I like medium well too.
Yeah.
It kind of depends because, like in really nice restaurants, like it seems like it's a more rare. And
yes,
then, yeah.
and for steaks, I kind of like the opposite. I like medium rare. I like more on the rare side for steaks. So
I'm with you on that one too.
We agree.
Burgers like more in the middle, steaks rare. All right, just so everybody knows. Moving right along. Thank you so much, Eric. Coming up, an
Forecast tonight. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. An absolutely beautiful morning this morning. Temperatures in the 60s, rising to the 70s and 80s. An absolutely warm day today. We're seeing some pop-up storms going throughout the area this evening. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery. Storm Frequency 2 Doppler radar. I want to isolate right here in Herkimer. This is a storm that was just not even there a couple of minutes ago, going around 5:30 and heading into 6 o'clock. You can see that storm just immediately forming. We have a very unstable atmosphere right now across the Mohawk Valley in central New York right now. And this storm will be continuing to move into this area, especially down the Mohawk Valley, moving around this direction right here. As you can see, some areas, especially up in Old Forge, are looking to remain clear and dry for right now. Right now, temperatures 83 degrees, a little bit less humid. It was a little bit humid more earlier in the morning. Temperatures around the area, 70 in Inlet, 84 in Barneveld, a very warm day, especially in the Mohawk Valley. Temperatures in the mid-70s to upper 70s around the southern valleys as well, 70 down in Milford tonight. Pop-up showers rumbles of thunder are possible this evening. More steady rainfall is possible later on tonight, and rain and storms will continue as we head into tomorrow. Tonight, though, a low of 63, a very mild night, and tracking the possibility of severe weather for the next couple of days coming up. Back over to you, Sierra.
Thank you, Eric. As parents
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. We're looking at some breaking into some severe weather heading to the next couple of days. Gonna get the words out for there for a second. We're looking at some more pop-up storms heading into this evening. Let's take a look outside at our Cavie Tower camera overlooking Utica. Seeing the tail end of or the front end of a storm cloud moving into the area. These are more pop-up storms. You can see them down in the southeast right now, specifically right in the down right above the area of Otsego County right now, slowly moving up north into the Mohawk Valley. You can see zooming in right here. You can see how quickly these pop-up storms are developing right here over in Herkimer. You see the storm has quickly developed right over Herkimer, brought downpouring conditions, and then it disappeared right above it too. And we'll see those develop as we head into the Mohawk Valley. The winds are slowly shifting out towards the northwest for now. Keep an eye on that for you as we head throughout the newscast today. The bigger picture, we call these popcorn storms, pop-up storms. Basically, this entire area of atmosphere in the northeast is just an unstable atmosphere all across the board. And basically any sort of light movements, like any sort of like light heating or some lifting due to the topography, especially hills and mountainous areas, this will cause some lifting to cause some storms, especially just pop-up storms that will disappear as soon as the parcel looks to lower out in the unstable atmosphere. Looking at our skycast, right now we're seeing most of the severe weather move up into our area heading into later on this evening, and most of the possibility of severe weather is going to be out of our area heading into later on tonight. Now, severe weather is kind of a broad statement, basically just some light showers or some downpouring conditions with some thunderstorms as we head throughout the area. And then heading into tonight, we're seeing some widespread rainfall across most areas, some lighter conditions. And then tomorrow is a little bit heavier of a chance. You're seeing the winds move from the south out to the west. We're seeing some more possibility of severe weather as we head into Sunday. But the bigger possibility if we look ahead towards the lunar eclipse, looking ahead towards later on tonight, or tomorrow night, I should say. We're seeing some more clear skies as we head throughout the evening hours, heading into later on that night. Right around midnight to 1 a.m., we're seeing some clear skies, possibly, especially out in the eastern part of the area. As we head into Monday, this is the most possibility of severe weather into our area. This is a huge unstable conditions, bringing some widespread rainfall, especially just for a little bit as we head into the afternoon. This is what we're looking at for unstable atmosphere. All this red is basically just an area of unstable atmosphere as we head into tomorrow. We're seeing right here the widespread red. It's not looking like to have any sort of major severe weather tomorrow, but the bigger picture is for Monday. We're seeing all that unstable atmosphere with a very strong cold front moving through our area, and we expect some widespread rainfall as we head throughout the day on Monday. This evening, temperatures in the 70s, rising up into the 70s, falling into the 70s and 60s. We head in tonight, a low of 63. It will be rainy. And tomorrow, a high of 78 with rainy chances and a higher chance of thunderstorms as we head throughout the afternoon tomorrow in a 7-day forecast. Looking ahead, some unstable atmosphere as we head throughout the next couple of days, Sunday and Monday. Heading into Tuesday, some more scattered rain showers possibly, but then heading into Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures rising once again after a cold front moves through the area. Some drier conditions heading into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Over to you, Taha.
Coming up next, we get you ready for...
Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. A mild and rainy night tonight, looking at some possibility of some light showers heading into later on tonight. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Picker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing some light rain across the western part of the Mohawk Valley and a little bit in the North Country right now. It's looking to remain that way as we head throughout the rest of the night. Right now it's 68 degrees. It is very humid as temperatures continue to fall. Humidity will continue to rise. A possibility of fog tomorrow morning with additional light sprinkles. Right now it's cloudy in Rome. It was sprinkling just a few minutes ago, and it's still going to continue to see some light rain across central New York. It will last throughout the night tonight with mostly cloudy skies. We're tracking additional rain and storms tomorrow as a cold front moves through from the west. You might see some clearing skies for an eclipse, so possible good news is an overall severe weather for the next couple of days. We head into the rest of the weekend, heading into Monday. Tonight, the low of 63, some sprinkles and mostly cloudy skies. We have an update to Monday's forecast coming up. Back over to you, Sayra.
Thank you, Eric. A large group.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Going into tonight, looking at the possibility of some additional light rain with mostly cloudy skies as we head in throughout the rest of the night and early morning tomorrow. Let's take a look at our Cavvy Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. The light rain is looking to move throughout the area as we head throughout the rest of the night tonight as we take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Picker 2 Doppler radar. Most of this rainfall is out to the west right now. Over to the east, we're seeing some dry patches. Still seeing additional rainfall down to the south, moving up into the area, and this will last as a weak low pressure system moves from the south up north out to the east of us. See some just lighter rainfall. Not expecting any severe weather at least until tomorrow. Around the clock tomorrow, temperatures start out in the 60s, a mild night tonight, rising into the 70s, in the mid-70s by the afternoon. The bigger story, however, are the thunderstorms we had throughout the afternoon. In the early morning, it's a possibility of some light rain showers along mostly cloudy skies. Between 12 to 2 o'clock, as we see the first band of thunderstorms possible, they'll be moving throughout the area and expecting another round possibly of another round of thunderstorms as we head throughout the rest of the afternoon. Taking a look at the bigger picture, as you can see, the large unstable atmosphere is looking to weaken, at least for now. You can see right here, this very weak low pressure system is moving north. It's going to be moving into our area as we head throughout the night tonight as rainfall and winds move from the south into the west. Taking a look at our skycast, temperatures still falling into the 60s, a very mild night tonight. We're still seeing that widespread light rainfall across the area. No possibility of any severe weather as the atmosphere is looking to calm as we head throughout the night tonight. We're seeing tomorrow afternoon, you can see this, it's very faint, but you can see this band right here, this cold front moving through. That's the possibility of severe weather, and that would be the first band of thunderstorms. And you see the possibility of a second development of thunderstorms. This happened earlier on in March. See that happening later on in the afternoon. Another bigger story, too, along with all the severe weather, is the eclipse we're tracking later on tomorrow night. We're seeing around 12 a.m. around Monday morning and Sunday night. We're seeing the clearing of clouds, so it is looking a little bit better of chances to see the eclipse as it will continue to clear out as we head throughout the night. If you're out in these southern valleys, specifically down in the east, it might not be as good of a clearing for you. Monday is the bigger story. We have now turned this into a Storm Tracker 2 alert day. There's a very high instability, especially in the Mohawk Valley. The possibility of severe thunderstorms is greatly increased, especially temperatures in the 80s before these storms roll through, but clearing skies later on. As you can see, that strength of a cold front bringing temperatures down in the upper 50s as we head into Tuesday. Tonight, a low of 63 with some light sprinkles, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, rain early and thunderstorms as we head later on in the afternoon. Expect some gusty winds along with that as well. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The Storm Tracker 2 alert day is heading into Monday, seeing some light rainfall as we head into Tuesday. Temperatures fall between Tuesday and Wednesday and rise back into the 70s and 80s by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Over to you, Taha.
Coming up, Cooperstown pays a